2 weeks or so, and they'll start to fledge and fly on their own. But it looks like they're already starting to exercise those pectoral muscles.
Leave them in the nest. 2 or 3 months, do you think?
Yeah, it's usually about 10 weeks after hatching is when they fledge.
That's cool.
And they will continue to live with mom and dad after that for about a year. Once that happens, then they will tend to become nomadic and try to find a home of their own, find a mate of their own as well. I was actually reading the other day that if they do try to return back to the nest after leaving, the parents will kick them out.
Huh. That sounds interesting.
But yeah, guys, what's really fascinating about these nests here, so when the bald eagles, like I said before, they mate for life, when they build that nest together, it will weigh up to 300 pounds initially. Wow. Each year, they will add on to that nest until eventually it just becomes so big and heavy that the tree limbs won't be able to support the weight of it anymore, and the nest will fall, and the eagles will start the entire process back over.
Wow. So you said that one's like the size of a queen-size bed?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
God.
Yeah, guys, they actually weighed a nest up in Juneau that had fallen not too long ago. It weighed over 1,200 pounds.
What? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they're quite the architects.
That's amazing. They're talking.
That's really cool. Again, guys, keep in mind, these are all robotic eagles. Okay?
All animatronic. Those animatronics are really getting good.
Yeah, I'll change the batteries.
He's got a little button there. Cute eagles. Cute eagles.